everyone, welcome back to Pabbly. In this video, we are going to learn how we can create an AI agent which can automate our WhatsApp conversation with our customers for my business of home and lifestyle. And for this, we are going to check this AI agent which I've created once. I'm going to open my WhatsApp and I'm going to send this AI agent a message. Let's check whether it replies to me based on the same query or not. So I have sent this message, do you offer COD? Let's wait for the reply. And here it says, yes, we do offer cash on delivery for orders under 10,000. If you'd like to place a COD order or need any help choosing products, just let me know. I'm going to ask another question. Can I see the product before buying? Let's wait for the reply here. And here it says, yes, you can. We provide detailed pictures and videos of all our products so you can see them clearly before making a purchase. I'm going to ask another question. Will this smart bulb work with Alexa? I'm going to send this message. Let's wait for the reply. And here it says, yes, the smart bulb works with both Alexa and Google Assistant. Setup takes less than 2 minutes. So it has sent me the message. I'm going to ask the final question. Does your lamp work with LED bulbs? I'm going to send this message. Let's wait for the reply. And here it says, yes, the lamp supports E27 LED bulbs up to 12 watt. So as I'm asking the question, any question or any query is resolved and my AI is working perfectly fine. Now, if you also want to learn how you can create this AI agent using Pabbly Chatflow, let's start creating this from the beginning. So in this video, we are going to see how we can create an AI agent to automate all our WhatsApp conversation for our home and lifestyle business. And for this, we are going to visit Pabbly Chatflow. To visit Pabbly Chatflow, we simply need to write www.pabbly.com/chatflow in the browser. And after browsing this website, we need to sign in to our Pabbly Chatflow account. But before we sign in, let me quickly take you towards Pabbly community. So you can join this Pabbly community to connect with business owners, experts, and the Pabbly support team. You can share tips, ask questions, and get quick solutions to your automation challenges. You can stay updated on latest features and collaborate with thousands of users who help and support each other every day. Now, if you want to learn how you can join this community, then please check out the link given in the description. Let's move back towards Pabbly Chatflow. After browsing this website, we need to sign in to our Pabbly Chatflow account. On the top right corner, you can see two options, sign in and sign up for free. If you are an existing user, click on the sign in, and if you are a new user, click on the sign up for free, and this will give you 100 credits free on monthly basis. As I'm an existing user, I'll click on the sign in. And here all Pabbly apps page has appeared, which is showing me all the Pabbly applications. I'm going to click on this Pabbly Chatflow Access Now, and it will take me towards the app dashboard of Pabbly Chatflow. Here we can see the credit allotted, credit consumed, credit remaining, and the WhatsApp number added. To add your WhatsApp number to your Pabbly Chatflow account, simply click on this add WhatsApp number. You can use this WhatsApp Connect, which is a preferred method, or you can use a token to connect your WhatsApp to your Pabbly Chatflow account. Now, if you want to learn the step-by-step process, the detailed video is available in the description. You can check that out. Also, on the left-hand side, we have all these features: inbox, contacts, team queues, templates, broadcast flows, AI assistant, activity log, settings, and get help. We have created dedicated and detailed video on all of these features, the link to which is available in the description. You can check that out. To create this AI agent, on the left-hand side, we can see this option of AI assistant. We are going to open this. We have landed towards this AI assistant page. You can see the total AI assistant, active AI assistant, and the inactive AI assistant. This active AI assistant is active on some chat. To create a new AI assistant, you simply need to click on this add AI assistant, and then you have to give this a name. So let's say the name is home and lifestyle. And then I'm simply going to click on this add AI assistant. We have landed towards this page from where we are going to start creating this AI assistant. On the top, we have all these options which we are going to enter. The first one is AI instruction. In the instruction type, I'm going to select it as AI agent. As I select this AI agent, the instructions are already added. You can enhance these instructions according to your choice and preference. Next, we have this AI configuration. The first is temperature. So set how the creative AI answers are. 0 means more focused, 1 means more creative. If I go from 0 to 1, the creativity of how this AI is answering will improve. I'm going to keep it as 0.7. The AI to use will be OpenAI. The model will be GPT-4o Mini. And then we need to enter this API key. To get this API key, I'm going to click on the hyperlink given over here, and it will take me towards the API keys of OpenAI page. Now from here, we are going to create this create new secret key. We are going to click on this. We have to first name this. So let's say the name is test. The project will be default project. The permissions will be all. And then I simply need to click on this create secret key. A new API token will be provided to you, which you need to copy and simply paste that over here. Now here I have already generated this API key and I have added that API key. I'm simply going to click on this connect and you will see OpenAI key saved successfully. Next we have this AI assistant settings. If you want to provide the header message and the footer message, you have to toggle on these buttons, provide the message and it will start displaying. For now I'm going to toggle this off. In the stop keyword, enter the keyword that users can type to stop the AI assistant. You can add multiple keywords. I'm going to add the keyword stop and press enter, and in this manner I have added this keyword. Now whenever a customer wants to stop the replies from the AI assistant, they are going to enter this keyword and the AI will not send them any message. Next we have this retry attempt. So specify the number of fallback retry attempt if the AI assistant fails to respond. Valid range is 1 to 10. So over here I have entered retry attempt as 1. If the AI assistant fails to reply, you can increase the retry attempt according to your choice and preference. We have this fallback message. So when the API is not responding, the AI agent will not be able to respond according to the question or the queries asked by the customers. Then this fallback message will be sent. I am here to assist with questions related to company information and support. You can also enhance this fallback message and add the company details and the contact information so that whenever a customer is asking the question and the API is not responding, then this fallback message will be sent and at least all the contact details of your company will be sent to the customer. Moving on towards the next step, we have this knowledge source. So over here I'm going to select the knowledge source as upload file and I'm going to upload the file by clicking on this cloud. I have already downloaded the file. This file is called knowledge base. Based on this knowledge base itself, we are going to train our AI agent to reply or answer our customer queries. I'm going to open the knowledge base which I have created. Here this is the knowledge base which I have created. Business overview, product catalog, I have added some pictures, and then home decor, furniture, kitchen and dining, bedding and comfort, and the rest of the details. I have created a very detailed knowledge base, and based on this knowledge itself, my AI is going to answer or reply to all the customer queries. So we have to create a very detailed knowledge base, and then with the help of this knowledge base itself, we are going to train our AI assistant. You can enter the knowledge base. The size is given over here. The accepted format is .txt and PDF. No page limit for text PDFs, but if the PDF has image, it's limited to 10 pages. I have uploaded the file in TXT format. Moving on towards the next step, we have this assistant interface. So if you want to display the heading name, you can do that. Let's suppose I want to keep it as Pabbly, and you can see it has started appearing over here. If you want, you can keep the subheading. If you want, you can remove it. We have this initial messages, and based on these two initial messages which you are going to add, you can add two initial messages. Your AI agent is going to reply to your customers. If you want, you can keep this enable powered by Pabbly. If you want to disable this, you can do that and it will be removed from here. I'm going to keep it enable. We have this footer text. I have added the privacy policy in the footer text, and in the footer link I have added the link to privacy policy. You can add according to your choice and preference. We have this user first message. So over here this message will be sent to WhatsApp as an initial message from the user, but it is not necessary. Whenever a user send me any message, my AI agent is going to reply to that user. Moving on towards the final option, we have the styling. I have selected my theme mode as light. You can select dark also and it will change over here. Then we have this assistant shape. So circle, square, rounded square. I'm going to keep it as circle. And then we have this background color, text color, button color, chat bubble color, text color, these details. You can change them according to your choice and preference. I'm going to keep it as default. We have this header profile picture, assistant profile picture, and the background picture. So just like we have uploaded the knowledge base, you can upload these pictures also. We have created this AI assistant successfully. Now please make sure that you toggle this on. If you do not toggle this on, the messages won't be sent, and then you save this. If you do not save this, all this will be lost. You can also embed this AI assistant using this particular code to your website, and whenever a customer click on that, they will be redirected towards this chat. Now we have to understand a very important point. What if we want to assign this particular AI assistant to a particular chat only? For that, I'm going to click on this inbox. I'm going to open this in a new tab. And here this was my chat. So to enable AI assistant to a particular chat, you have to toggle on this choose AI assistant. You have to choose the AI assistant and simply save this. In this manner, we have assigned this AI assistant to this particular chat. But doing this manually and to particular chats is a very logical manner, and that's why we are going to activate or assign the AI assistant to all the contacts or to particular list. Now on the left hand side where you can see all these options, I'm going to click on the settings and then go towards the inbox settings. I'm going to open this in a new tab. Here we are landed towards this inbox settings. If I scroll down, I can see this enable AI auto replies. So I have toggled this on, and after toggling this on, you have to create the contact list and assign that AI assistant to that particular list. So I have created all these lists. Let's suppose I want to get this new list and I'm going to assign a particular AI assistant to that particular list. Or what we can do, we can select all the contacts and assign that AI assistant to all the contacts and then simply save this. And in this manner, this particular AI assistant will be assigned to a particular chat or to all the contacts. Now we are going to test this AI agent for the one last time. I'm going to open the WhatsApp and send a message like, which bed sheet is good for king size bed? I have sent this message. Let's wait for the reply. And here I have received this reply. For a king size bed, we recommend our pure cotton king bed sheet. It's soft, breathable and ideal for summers. So my AI is working properly fine. Now if you have any doubts, you can comment down this video below and we will try to resolve it as soon as possible. You can stay tuned to our channel for learning more such interesting WhatsApp chatbots. And I hope you liked this video and understood this video very well. Thanks for watching. Not only this chatbot, you can create multiple such chatbots with the help of Pabbly Chatflow. Now if you have any questions, you can reach us at support@pabbly.com. If you have any queries, you can reach us at forum.pabbly.com. And if you have any pricing related issue, then you can visit the website given over here. Also, you can try Pabbly Chatflow for 100% free and create your own WhatsApp chatbot.